Looking to ditch the takeout menus and create delicious, home-cooked meals with minimal effort? The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker and Food Steamer might be the kitchen companion you've been searching for. This versatile appliance boasts a variety of features designed to simplify your cooking process and cater to a wide range of culinary needs. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, performance, and overall value of the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker to see if it deserves a place on your countertop. Effortless rice cooking with diverse options. At its core, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker excels at cooking rice. The generous 2-quart capacity allows you to prepare anywhere from 2 to 8 cups of cooked rice, perfectly suitable for small families or those who cook in single servings. Dedicated settings for white and brown rice ensure optimal cooking results for each variety, eliminating the guesswork and potential for overcooked or mushy rice. Beyond rice, a multi-cooker for versatile meals, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker goes beyond just rice. The included steam tray allows you to simultaneously steam vegetables and meats while your rice cooks below. This promotes healthy and well-rounded meals with minimal effort. Furthermore, the included preset functions cater to a variety of dishes, including oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, and soups. This versatility allows you to create a range of one-pot meals, streamlining your cooking routine and minimizing cleanup. Convenience at your fingertips. The user-friendly digital controls and LCD display make operating the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker a breeze. Pre-programmed settings eliminate the need for manual timing or temperature adjustments. The automatic Keep Warm function ensures your rice stays warm and fluffy until serving time, preventing overcooked or dried-out grains. For those who crave lightning-fast rice preparation, the Flash Rice function cuts cooking time by up to 50%, perfect for busy weeknights. Advanced technology for optimal results. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker boasts sensor logic technology. This innovative feature utilizes an onboard microcomputer to automatically adjust cooking temperatures throughout the cycle. This ensures your rice achieves the perfect texture and flavor every single time, regardless of variety or quantity. This eliminates the need for constant monitoring or adjustments, making the cooking process truly hands-on. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker prioritizes easy cleanup. The inner pot features a non-stick coating for effortless food removal. Both the pot and all the included accessories, including the steam tray, rice measuring cup, serving spatula, and soup ladle, are dishwasher-safe, minimizing post-meal chores. A time-saving companion for busy lives, the 15-hour delay timer is a game-changer for busy families. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and return home to perfectly cooked rice, ready to be enjoyed. This allows for flexible meal planning and eliminates the worry of overcooked grains if you get caught up with errands or other activities. Is the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker right for you? This versatile appliance is a great choice for small households or couples. The 8-cup capacity is ideal for smaller portions. Busy weeknights, quick and easy rice preparation with preset functions and a delay timer. Health-conscious cooks, steaming function allows for healthy preparation of vegetables and meats. Variety seekers, multiple settings cater to a variety of dishes beyond rice. Budget-conscious cooks, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker offers a range of features at an affordable price point. Things to consider before you buy. While the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker offers a wealth of features, here are some things to keep in mind. Limited browning function. This appliance might not be ideal for those who desire a browning function for dishes like searing meat. Capacity might not suit large families. The 8-cup cooked rice capacity might not be sufficient for very large households. Overall, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker and Food Steamer is a feature-rich and user-friendly appliance that simplifies rice cooking and allows for the creation of a variety of delicious meals. The combination of preset functions, a delay timer, a steam tray, and dishwasher-safe parts makes it a convenient option for busy families and those seeking to streamline their kitchen routines. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.